Welcome to Padu Motivation. All over the country, we are experiencing extreme hot weather. I live here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. Others live in California, all over the place, but it's hot wherever, just about. So, I'm going to show you two things that's going to make you a little bit more comfortable traveling outdoors. So, with the Tesla, they have hot weather improvements. It's the 24.20 improvements, and it helps cool down your car very quickly. And there's another little trick that a lot of Tesla owners don't know about, and I'm going to show you that, and that's going to make you a little more comfortable. So the first thing is the climate control. I use this all the time. The last thing you want to do is get into a hot car that's 100 degrees, 113, whatever. So I'm going to show you one trick on the app. So here is the climate control. So what I'm going to do is show you this right now inside you just go right to the app and you go to climate, and then right now it's 100 degrees in there. So I'm going to actually turn it on right now. And I like the graphics. Isn't that pretty cool? You can see all that. And you can actually use this for, if it was, 1 degree below zero out there, this would just be reversed and you would actually put the heat on. With this app, you can also heat up the seats as well by just touching that. I don't want to definitely want to keep that on very long. I just do that for demonstration. And as you can see, the cabin is cooling down nicely. And in a minute, we're going to get in and just show you one other trick that I think is going to really help you. Okay, it probably took about 3 or 4 minutes to get down to this temperature, but as you can see right now, the interior is 74 degrees, and look at the exterior. It's like it's 99 degrees out here. So we're going to take a walk to the vehicle, hop in, and let's see how cool it really is. Okay, as you can see, we are at 74 degrees, which is really very nice and comfortable here. So the next trick I'm going to show you, a lot of Tesla owners don't know this. When you're just getting out, if you want to get out of the vehicle just to go to the store real quick, and you're going to be real quick, and you want to keep the temperature as it is, here's what you're going to do. You just go swipe up like that, and you hit this button called keep. And once you hit keep, the climate stays on after you leave the car. It will only turn off if your battery percentage was at 20%. So mine is at 100. So there you have it. Please subscribe for more informative Tesla videos. We'll see you soon.